If you're struggling with feeling invisible online and wondering why nobody seems to notice your content, in this video, I'm going to show you how to attract the right people online without chasing them, cold messaging, or spending money on ads. Hey, my friend, welcome back to the Freedom Formula Roadmap series. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest mindset shifts that completely changed how I approached online business. And honestly, this is the part that finally made things feel simple and less exhausting. Now, before we dive in, if you haven't watched video 1 yet, pause this video and go watch that first. That's where I explained the foundation of this entire roadmap, including why you don't need to create your own product and how using proven systems can shortcut years of frustration. You'll want that content before today's video so it makes complete sense. Hey, I'm Lori. I'm a married empty nester mom of 4 living in Missouri. And after spending years trying exhausting side hustles that took way too much time for way too little return, I realized something important. Most people are working way too hard online because they're using the wrong strategy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that now, because this is part 2 of a 4-part roadmap series. Each video builds on the last one, and I want you to have the full picture because this is the exact mindset and strategy shift that changed everything for me. Ever feel like you're posting online and it's just disappearing into a void? Like nobody's listening, nobody's engaging, nobody cares? I think a lot of people our age assume the only way to grow online is by becoming some loud influencer or constantly trying to sell people. And honestly, that never felt natural to me. I don't want to chase people around the internet. I don't want to pressure anyone. And I definitely don't want to spend my life glued to social media trying to go viral. What finally clicked for me was realizing people don't want to be hunted. They want help. Now here's where most people get this completely backwards. Instead of becoming helpful guides, they become constant promoters, and people can feel that immediately. This next step is what I call social search. Think about how you personally use your phone. When you have a question, what do? You search for the answer. Maybe it's how to lose weight after 50, how to work from home, how to make extra income, how to start over financially. People are already searching for solutions every single day. So instead of randomly posting and hoping someone notices you, you create content that answers questions people are already typing into search bars. That changes everything because now you're no longer interrupting people, you're helping people. And when someone feels understood and helped, they naturally begin to trust you. And this next part is really important because this is the difference between building pressure and building connection. When you hunt, you chase people. When you guide, you simply show people the path. That's a completely different energy. And honestly, I think that it matters even more for moms and dads in this stage of life. We don't want fake hype. We want real people, real solutions, real conversations. When someone finds your video because you answered the exact question they were already asking, you're no longer a salesperson. You become the person who finally made things make sense. That's powerful. And the best part, the strategy costs $0. No ads, no cold messaging, no awkward sales scripts. Just clear, helpful content that connects with the right people over time. I spent years working hard in schools, giving everything I had to help other people. So trust me, I understand hard work. But eventually I realized hard work alone is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. time freedom, energy freedom, mental freedom, and that only happens when you stop trying to force things and start building smarter systems instead. So today we covered why chasing people online creates burnout, how social search helps people naturally find you, and why becoming a guide builds more trust than trying to sell. The internet is noisy enough already. The people who stand out are usually the ones who make things feel simple, calm, and easy to understand. And if you want to learn how to actually set up this kind of simple search-based business step by step, you can grab the free blueprint linked below in the description. That's where I break down the exact system I'm personally using from home here in Missouri. And in the next video, I'm going to show you what to do when people are watching your content but still aren't ready to take the next step yet. Because there's one simple shift that helps build trust without pressure, and this part matters more than most people realize. And if you haven't watched the beginning of the series yet, make sure you start with video 1 right here. I'll see you in video 3.